Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone is stuck on Samsung logo in Samsung Galaxy A17, 37 or A57. If you're using Samsung 17, 37 or 57, you're facing the issue that your phone is stuck in Samsung logo, so you just have to make a force restart to fix this. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and power button for almost 50 seconds. So let's try this. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. The very first, your screen goes completely black, and once you got the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. Now it will make a force restart your phone, and once your phone has been forced restarted, you just have to wait for a few moments because a forced restart might take longer than usual. So after this forced restart, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.